everybody, guess what? It is time to look at the Sunday coupon preview that is coming out this Sunday. I think it's going to be a lot of great coupons, so you guys will definitely have to get a lot of them. But here we are getting, it looks like we're getting 2 smart sources and 1 red plum and 1 P&G. So that is awesome. Looks like we got $1 off of Act. We're getting Airwick coupons, $1.50, $1 off of 1, $2 off of 1, $2 off of 1, $3 off of 1. And then half off a aerosol. So that looks awesome. Arm & Hammer, spin brush or refill battery operated toothbrush. That's a great deal. Brute, I don't know why I'm saying it's a deal. It's a good coupon. Brute, $1 off of 1. We probably might see some deals with some Brute. Bubba, that's a burger thing. Clean and Clear, $1 off of 1. Clorox, Duclo, which I think is like Ducalax. Glade, $1 off of 1. Jolly Time Popcorn. Lime Away, Lubriderm, $2.50 off of 1. That's a great coupon. Sorry, it's like cutting off. My camera's acting. It's weird. Neutrogena, $2 off of 1. Ragu, $1 off of 2 sauce. Resolve carpet cleaner. Rock Rolade, Sally Henson, $1 off of 1. Skippy peanut butter, $1 off of 1. Tenya, $5 off of 1. That's a great coupon. I mean, there's that. And then there's Sure. And then there's Zantac, $4 off of 1. Then in the Smart Source number 2, we got Ban and Biore. Boost, the Boost coupons a lot of you guys like. $3 off of 1. Claritin, Curel, Dr. Scholl's. Fancy Feast, it looks like $1 off of 10 or $1 off of 12. Jergens, $1.50 off of 1, $2 off of 1, $2 off of 1, $3 off of 1. A lot of Purina cat and dog food plus Tidy Cats, so definitely check that out. Here is the red plum. It looks like we'll be getting $2 off of 1 for Advil, $3 off of 1. Alert, Angel Soft, 50 cents. Axe, $2 off of 1, which I'm excited for because they have some deals on Ibotta with that. Brawny, Breathe Right, Degree, $1.75 off of men's and women's. We got Dove, Energizer, Garnier Fructis, $3 off of 2, which is an okay coupon. Garnier Nutrice Hair Dye, Olay Hair Dye Skin Active 2 and 3, that's a great coupon. The Whole Blends, $4 off of 2, that's an awesome coupon. We're also getting L'Oreal, there's a lot of L'Oreal stuff. Maybelline New York, we're getting $1 off of 1. Shadow, $2 off of 1. Face Primer Foundation, $3 off of 1. Mascara. Newman's Own, that's a great coupon for actually it's pizza, look at that. Stain Master, Theraflu, Thermacare, and Trimimic, or whatever, I can't pronounce it all of a sudden. Then we also have the P&Gs, so we got $2 off of 2 Always. Bounty, Charmin, Braun, Cascade, more Charmin, Crest toothpaste, it looks like just $1 off of 1, which is an okay coupon. Dawn dish soap, 25 cents off of 1, I like that coupon. Febreze, buy one get one free, great coupon. Gillette, $1 off of 1, $2 off of 1, $2 off of 1, $1 off of 1. Head and Shoulders, 3 off 1, 4 off 2. Herbal Essence, buy one get one free, that's a great coupon. $1.50 off of Love's. Mr. Clean, Olay, Old Spice, $1 off of 1, $2 off of 2. Oral-B, Pampers, 3 off of 2, 3 off of 2. Pantene, we're getting a 5 off of 3. Buy one foam conditioner or Micellar shampoo and conditioner, get one free. Pepto-Bismol, Puffs, 25 cents off of 1. Definitely need more of that stuff because everybody's been sick. Tampax, 2 off of 2, Daisy, 3 off of 1, Vicks, and ZzzQuil. So that was it in the inserts that are coming out this Sunday. If you guys need to ever look out for inserts, usually they're out on Mondays or Tuesdays, but you just type in coupon inserts for the Sunday that it's ending. I found these on SundayPaperCoupons.com. But I will see you guys all later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.